Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Reskill Upskill. Today's subject is history. Our goal for today will be revision of the concept of prehistoric period, the first cities part 1 and 2, understanding the topics of the first cities part 3. Indus Valley civilization is one of the ancient civilizations of the world. It is also known as Bronze Age civilization. सबसे पहले चार्ल्स मैनसन ने इसका जिक्र किया था, इसका मेंशन किया था in 1826. Then General Alexander Cunningham ने 1856 में, who is also known as the father of archaeology and who is also the founder of ASI, that is Archaeological Survey of India. Then Sir John Marshall, along with Dayaram Sahni, discovered some of the Harappan sites in 1920 and 21. So let's see why these Harappan cities were so special. First is they used well-made bricks, which whose quality was very good. Their bricks lasted up to 1000 years. They had proper town planning. They divided the city into two parts, citadel and lower town. They took care of personal cleanliness. Forging of metals was also done there. It was a planned city. People there used to be very busy that time because there were different kinds of trades going on. People were sent to different lands to get metals, precious stones, and other things. Slavery system was prevailing at that time. There were laborers, farmers, craftsmen, doctors, priests. People were involved in gambling also. Like elder men used to do that pastime with the help of gambling. There were both kinds of people who were having veg as well as non-veg food. Agriculture and industry in Harappan civilization. यहाँ के जो लोग थे वो शिप इंडस्ट्री में भी इन्वॉल्व थे. They used to import things from different places. They were engaged in cutting stones, carving seals, and also in ivory work. एग्रीकल्चर तो इस टाइम की बैकबोन माना जाता है. वो wheat, barley, dates, peas, ये सब crops grow करते थे. They used wooden plow also for harvesting. Seals of Indus Valley civilizations have been noticed at different places. Harvesting used to be done with wooden plows. सुमेरियन टेक्स्ट हम कह सकते हैं एक तरह के सेंटर्स थे जिनके साथ ये ट्रेडिंग करते थे. गबरबंस डैम्स के साथ बनाए जाते थे वाटर स्टोर करने के लिए. रिलीजियस लाइफ यहाँ पे कैसी थी? इस जगह के लोग जो थे दे वर पोलिथिस्टिक, मतलब कि वो अलग अलग भगवान जो हैं उनको उनकी पूजा करते थे, उनकी वर्शिप करते थे, उनको फॉलो करते थे. इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में बहुत जगह पे सील्स मिली हैं जिनको वो गॉड के रूप में वर्शिप किया करते थे. They used to worship the earth goddess for fertile land, and these people were highly religious and had deep faith in God. कई जगह पे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में स्वास्तिक बने हुए मिले हैं, उनके चक्र बने हुए मिले हैं. इससे पता लगता है कि वो लॉर्ड शिव की वर्शिप करते थे. वहां पे कहीं उनको मंदिर नहीं मिले, लेकिन फायर जो कुंड होते हैं वो जगह जगह पे मिले हैं. सबसे पहले हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन से हम बात कर लेते हैं मोहनजोदारो सिटी की, जिसका नाम ही उसका मतलब है माउंट ऑफ द डेड. इसके बाकी फीचर्स ये हैं कि ये आर.डी. बनर्जी ने डिस्कवर किया था. इसमें एक जगह थी जो बहुत पॉपुलर है, दैट इज ग्रेट बाथ. वो एक हम कह सकते हैं कि एक बड़ा सा एरिया है जहाँ पे वाटर कलेक्ट किया जाता था, या हम कह सकते हैं वहाँ पे सेलिब्रेशंस होती थी. There were clay figures of Mother Goddess also there. Next city is Lothal. It is located beside a tributary of the Sabarmati in Gujarat. यहाँ पे raw material easily available था. There was a dockyard जहाँ पे ships जो हैं उनको repair किया जाता है. So as we were discussing earlier also, these people were involved in the imports through ship. Largest number of seals and sealings were found here. Dholavira. It was situated in Khadir, Vaid, Gujarat. It is divided into three parts, and each part was surrounded by massive stone walls. There was evidence of Harappan writing also in Dholavira. Another important city is Kalibanga. It was discovered by Louis. It is situated in Rajasthan and it had unique fire altars. And there was world's earliest attested plowed field there. Now, how this civilization ended. There are different views on it. Some say there was a major change in the climate. In Mohenjo-daro, garbage was piling up. Import of raw materials became rare. Some archaeologists said that rivers got dried up, green cover got destroyed, and there was deforestation. So there are different views, but there isn't any exact reason of the ending of Harappan civilization. Let's recapitulate now. If we talk about the agriculture and industry of Harappan civilization, then we can say that agriculture was the backbone of the civilization. These people used to import do they used to import raw materials from different places with the help of ship industry, and these people were quite religious. They were polytheistic and they used to worship Lord Shiva also. Some important cities at that time were Dholavira, Kalibanga, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, etc. And there isn't exact reason about the ending of Harappan civilizations, but most archaeologists say that the rivers got dried up and there was deforestation. So I hope you learned something new today. Keep learning and keep improving your skills. Thank you for watching.